Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you're here for Monday's video, or the last video I did before this one, where I taught you about step-up rings, because that is going to be very helpful for when you come to purchase an ND filter for your whole array of lenses. So if you haven't yet, go check out that video. It's in the description down below, and then come back and watch this video because they kind of go together. Alright, so an ND filter is a filter that goes on the front of your lens that can get darker, like that, and it can get lighter, like that. It's like putting sunglasses on your lens, is how a lot of people make it make sense, which makes a lot of sense. It's too bright, you put on sunglasses, you're good to go. It's too bright, you put on an ND filter, you're good to go. This one here is a variable ND filter, which is why you're able to twist it and get those varying degrees of darkness. With a normal ND filter, it's just one set darkness, so I'd highly recommend picking up a relatively nice variable ND filter, but get one that's big enough that's going to be with you for a long time. That's where those step-up rings come into play, because a lot of professional lenses, things like that, are going to have a larger thread on the front of them, like a 72 millimeter or something like that, where this isn't going to fit on there, and even if you get step down rings to make this fit, there's going to be some very serious vignetting. It's not going to be pretty. So you want to make sure you get a big enough one to last for a long time, and with the last video, you want to make sure that you have step-up rings so that it will fit on all of your lenses. What you would use an ND filter for normally is like if you're shooting outside and you're trying to shoot video and you're going for the 180 shutter, so double your frame rate. My frame rate is 24 frames per second. My shutter speed right now, because of that, is at 50, so all the motion blur looks natural and whatnot. That's just the general standard that a lot of people go to when filming. So if you're outside and it's way too bright for your shutter speed to be down at 50 because your whole shot's just crazy overexposed when you do that, but you want that natural looking motion blur, you just bust out one of these, turn it to the proper amount of darkness, and you're all set. Your shot's fixed, you're properly exposed, you're properly 180 degree shutter angle, you're good to go. Then if a cloud comes over and you're like, oh, now it's too dark, crap, you just spin it back the other way and it's light again. Super, super helpful tool to have. I highly recommend that everybody with a camera gets these for their camera. It's as simple as that. I don't know what else to tell you. Again, if you haven't seen Monday's video, go check out Monday's video in the description down below, and it'll be right here for you to click on. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it kind of told you what variable ND filters are and what you can use them for, and I'll see you in the next video.